Hey everyone, I am voting for Japan this election cycle. Just kidding. But seriously, someone say this. Today I wanted to talk about typhoons. But before I do, here is some vocabulary related to natural disasters and hazards. If you're studying Japanese, it would be very useful to memorize, so have at it. What are typhoons? Typhoons are just hurricanes that form in the Pacific, mainly on the Asia side. Interestingly, I just escaped the hurricane-ridden state of Florida, only to be greeted by another hurricane. Right now, Hurricane Matthew is ravishing the Caribbean and the South Floridian area, while a hurricane is ravishing Matsue right now. Or is it? No typhoon yet, but everyone says it's coming. Classes were canceled and it's a beautiful day outside, so I'm not sure if this is a blessing or the calm before the storm. Actually, it's completely wrecking South Korea right now. Poor chaps. Funny thing is, the North Koreans probably don't even realize this is going on because they don't really have internet. Ooh, shots fired. According to JapanGuide.com, approximately 30 typhoons form each year over the Northwest Pacific Ocean, of which about 7 or 8 pass over Okinawa Prefecture and about 3 hit the Japanese main islands, especially Kyushu and Shikoku. But any region of Japan, including Tokyo, Osaka, and Hokkaido, can be visited by typhoons. Typhoons are low-pressure systems that can result in winds with speeds around 200 kilometers per hour or 124 miles per hour. What's really interesting to me is that typhoons in Japan are not given names as they are in the States. Instead, they're numbered. I believe the one headed for my region is Typhoon 201618, which I believe stands for Typhoon number 18 of the year 2016. Anyway, all my classes today were cancelled, and I'm using my abundant free time to further myself in Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Darkness. So what can we take away from this? What lesson is there to be learned by moving to a prefecture in Japan that is hot, humid, and occasionally hit by hurricanes? Probably the fact that I live in the Florida of Japan. They're exactly the same. Anyways, that's all for now, guys. I'll be signing off. I hope you learned a lot about Japan's weather systems and natural disasters and South Korea.